wonderful good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to drinktec 2025. Welcome to Krones. My name is Désirée Duré. I'm one of two moderators of the Krones Meet the Experts Forum, a world premiere here at drinktec featuring high-profile experts in more than 40 presentations, talks, and panel discussions, live here in Hall B6, but also online via live stream. Throughout the entire week, Krones will be shining the spotlight not only on Krones experts, but also on industry experts, partners, and even customers who will be giving us exclusive insights into their business and discuss, together with you, the latest trends and future topics for our industry. To kick things off, I would like to invite three gentlemen to this stage, but to give them a warm welcome, I need your support. Are you with me? Now please welcome Krones CEO Christoph Klenk.
A pleasure.
Great to have you here.
Bisschen leise, oder? Ich bin schon wieder.
So acoustic is a bit of
yeah,
problem.
high energy.
High energy, okay. Energy. Yeah, right. It's digitalization most probably.
Next, please give it up for Krones CSO Thomas Ricker.
Hi, Désirée. Hello.
And last but absolutely not least, Krones Executive Board Member Markus Tischer. Well, gentlemen, first of all, congratulations on this fantastic setup. Hall B6 looks simply amazing. Would you agree? Yes.
Thanks a lot.
So, finally, it's drinktec time again. It's so good to be back. So, Christoph, what does this trade show mean to you?
Well, actually, I have nothing to say when I look here in the audience. First of all, warm welcome, because our point is it's communication with you, our customers. That's the most important thing here on drinktec. And for the first time, and that's really amazing, we can show that digitalization is playing off. I mean, we have the line of the future here showing that. And this is actually a big change for us, because for the first time, our business model is going to be changed. This is lines and machines together with lifecycle in a long run. And this makes me the drinktec here as important as it is.
That sure is true, and there is so much in this hall to experience and to explore and to see and get hands-on and mix and mingle with our experts. So for those who are not here yet, why should everybody come to Munich and visit us here at Krones?
That's an easy answer. There is anything for everybody. So it's really amazing for us getting this hall. We have the chance to present our portfolio in the complete hall B6 here in Munich. And even at this time, it's a bit bigger because we have extended our portfolio. So we have also a booth in the hall close to here in the C6, where we are presenting our plastics and PET topics. So as said, it's something here for everyone. We're showing here from process technology. We have the bottling and packaging here. We have logistics. And you can really feel within this hall how things really work together and how things come together for the best solutions for our customer.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that. Well, I quickly measured this morning, and I think it's around about 10,000 square meters, right, if I'm not wrong. Yep. So, anything you look forward to in particular, Markus?
Yeah, of course. This 10,000 square meters are completely packed with technology. Basically, we have 10 areas of technology. So, as Thomas mentioned, the three core technologies: processing, bottling and packaging, intralogistics. And across all container types: glass, PET, can and aseptic. And under overarching of this is the service concepts, sustainability and digitalization. As Christoph mentions, the big lever of the future and overarching. And what Krones makes special is that we combine these technologies together to create solutions nobody else can create, because we have the competence in all areas relevant for the beverage industry.
And if we dig a bit deeper and have a closer look at the Krones overall story for drinktec, solutions beyond tomorrow. So what does that mean?
Well, actually, first I have to say, keep promises from yesterday, because it's all started on drinktec 3 years ago, where we have been listening to our customers, where we have discussed what would be solutions beyond tomorrow. They are here. Now it's going into the next level, because we are showing what is possible today, and we are listening carefully to our customers, what are the challenges for tomorrow and what solutions we have to deliver. And today we have it on line level, maybe tomorrow we have it on plant level.
Amazing. There's so much of the visions from previous drinktec that now came to life, right?
Right.
Yeah, visions come to reality. This is for sure the motto. And I think that's very important also that we addressed it to our sales team and also to all of our customers, that they raise a lot of questions. So we want to show you equipment which you need for your current business, for sure. Show you solutions which makes you more successful. But on the other side, we also make you curious with topics maybe currently a bit out of your view, and that we again get the good discussions, because we are still working on the visions for the future beyond tomorrow. And so this is very interesting for us to get the feedback from you, but also to get especially input from all of our global customers around the world.
So it's all about getting into dialogue, exchanging ideas, eventually shaping the future together. That's what it's all about, right?
Right. Exactly what we created was based on the feedback we get from you, from our customer. Last time we had the vision area, and also this time we have a vision tree over there, where we can capture your ideas and your thoughts, and that we can take that as foundation for the next years, where we go in which direction. And not to forget also on the next hall, on the PET point, where we have showed the full competence of the PET cycle, from recycling, injection molding, that we are competent in the whole PET cycle like nobody else in the industry.
That's for sure.
And maybe I add something here, okay?
Come on.
Because if I look in the faces here, we have a lot of those colleagues here having helped to develop all what you see here. And I would say I look into shiny faces, being proud of. I mean, this might be a second big thing for us here, Solutions Beyond Tomorrow, that the team is here and being proud what they have delivered, and that they have the chance to deliver more. And they are really committed to deliver more. That's what we are going to do. And I think the confirmation is here in the faces. Thanks a lot for that.
There's applause for all of you. Thank you. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Absolutely.
It's simply true.
Absolutely.
And right in the center of 4B6, the heart of Krones Hall, so to say, is our forum, our Meet the Experts forum. And we have 5 major topics for 5 exciting days ahead. So who came up with this brilliant idea, by the way?
Well, actually, there was a big question we are playing around already. How can we keep more people participating in what is really going on? And this exhibition has one big challenge. I mean, I said it earlier, digitalization is moving things forward. And this you are not able to touch. And that's a second point why we thought about the forum, that we can bring more items across the table once we are speaking here and give you all insights into what we are going to do. And now that's a big test here, what we are going to do.
It's sure going to be exciting. As I said, 5 days, 5 topics. Do you have a favorite topic, Thomas, or something you look forward to in particular?
So all of the topics are really my favorite. And I think this is showing exactly I would say the vision we set also a few years ago. And same as we brought the visions, what we have discussed 22 now to reality, it's also a vision that this forum will stay with Krones and that we can reach even more people. So make it for sure a success. So you ask me for my favorites. Any day is very, very interesting. And what I really appreciate, as you mentioned already, so we have not only the Krones people, we have partners, we have suppliers, and especially we have customers. So showing exactly that we define things together and now we bring it to life. And that's the most important for me.
Oh, I have a clear favorite. It's today. So stay here. Today we have really a great topic. It's the world premiere of our revolutionary new line concept in Janik. You will hear all about that in the full day, about technology, about the digitalization inside, and about the lifecycle service around that, the Lifecycle Alliance. And we are committed with that line. We can give the answer to the industry that are always asking for a high performance line with the lowest possible cost. So stay tuned today. We will hear all about that. And at the end of the day, you get even to hear the customer feedback that is operating this very first line in reality. So stay tuned. This will be a really big showcase already today.
And you will be back on stage, and I already look forward to that.
Exactly.
So, of course, every day is going to be super exciting. Tomorrow we have digitalization, then we have sustainability, then we have the future trends, latest products, and then even more visions to come. So the whole week is going to be amazing. But as you said, today we kick off with a true gem. I would say it's the highlight of the entire drinktec, at least in the field of PET. Yeah, make up your mind later, but I think I can dare to say that.
Yeah.
So, gentlemen, there's more from you during the next couple of days to come?
Sure, there's a lot more to come, and I have really to say, I said it yesterday during the opening, it's not only that we present innovations and technology, we even want to talk to the hearts of the people, because we are all together one industry. We are serving the beverage industry all over together, whether it's customers, suppliers, partners, it's us. So serving together and having a heart for it and develop things further, because we should not forget there's mankind out there, everybody needs to drink, and this is something we need to discuss here in the long run. That's the reason why we have a lot of things in terms of environmental issues to present and to talk, because we should not forget all of that, just being here with all the technique. So that's a very important point for us and to be discussed.
Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Oh, we have a clear target. So this is first of all presenting ourselves in a perfect way. The second is for sure making the basis for future business. And the third is, and this is also what Christoph said, coming a little more in the heart of our customers. And if I would receive the same feedback on Friday, which I received today from a customer, then we have done it right. And the feedback was, Krones is not only a supplier, Krones is a partner.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good final
words.
Wow.
Well, I thank you so much for this inspiring kickoff, and here's to a successful drinktec 2025. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Join us.
All right.
Thank you.